What's up mga ka-tribe? Welcome back to Throttle Tribe PH, where we ride hard and ride free. Today's ride? A long and twisty journey to Casiguran, Quezon, powered by none other than Pertua Power Horse fully synthetic oil. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alam nyo ba, ang kasiguran sa Quezon ay hindi lang basta twisties. Isa rin itong treasure trove ng nature spots tulad ng Parang Hills at Tibu Tidal Pool. Malayo man pero sulit sa ganda at tahimik na paligid. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng next ride destination, Casiguran might just be your next escape. We rode under the sun, through unexpected rain, uphill climbs, and tight corners. The twisties of Casiguran tested both rider and machine. But with Pertua Power Horse in the engine, my bike responded like never before. At kung bitin pa kayo sa biyahe, check out part 2 ng ride na to kung saan pumunta kami sa Tibu Tidal Pool. Isang hidden gem na sulit sa twisties at trail. Don't miss it mga ka-tribe!